Welcome back, Smart Money Nation. We are back with another video. Today we're going to talk about how to set up a business website and a business email address that is not a Gmail, that is not a Yahoo, that has your domain extension at the end. All right. Before we get started, as always, please hit the red subscribe button if you're not subscribed. If you are subscribed, please hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I drop a video. And if you find this video valuable, please share it with somebody that you do value and hit the like button for me. Let's get started. So today I'm going to show you guys exactly step by step how to set up your business website and how to get a business email address set up, all using GoDaddy.com. So what you want to do is go to GoDaddy.com. Once you go there, you will find the home page that looks just like this. From here, what you want to do is click this little drop down button and click create an account. Once you click that, it will take you to something like this. You can sign in with Facebook, continue with Google, or sign up with an email address. I highly suggest you sign up with an email address. Use whatever your personal email address is and sign up for that. Once you are signed up, it's gonna take you back to the home page. Once you're signed up, or a similar page, just click on GoDaddy and it'll take you back to this home page. What you want to do is go ahead and find the domain that you want to purchase. So this could be whatever business name that you've chosen for your LLC. So this might be smartmoneynation.com. I'm sure this is probably taken, and it will let you know whether it's taken or not. You can search the domain. So the .com is not available. .org is available. Ideally, you would want to find Smart Money, whatever your business name is, .com. If that's not available, just try adding maybe LLC to the end and see if that's available. Boom, we have it. SmartMoneyNationLLC.com is available. What you're going to do is click on get it. If this is your first time with GoDaddy, what's going to happen is they're going to offer you an introductory price on the domain name. Normally they're $18.99, but right now they're doing it for 1 cent. Or 99 cents. Usually they have it for sale like that for first time users. So you want to go ahead and purchase that. And what you also would want to purchase from GoDaddy when you're done purchasing that is hosting. Okay, so you want to go to the products. Where's hosting? Hosting should be like right here, but apparently it's not. But domain names, websites. Oh, right here. Okay, so web hosting. So click on web hosting right there. And what you would want to get is, and I'm going to tell you why to get this. You're going to want to get the maximum SSL for all sites. So get the maximum one, because you're going to use this as your base to put up websites. Any websites that you need for not only this business, but any other business, your personal website. I recommend getting a personal website, just with your name.com, right? So first name, last name.com. It could be a bio about you. It's a great habit to get into, but get the maximum one. It is $19.99 a month if you sign up for 3 years, but if you're doing it monthly, it's $24.99 a month. What it does is it gives you unlimited websites that you can put up. Storage, database is unlimited, and then you'll get domains and matching emails, and also you'll get SSL for all the websites, right? So it's a security feature, the SSL feature. So when you go on certain websites, I don't know if you guys ever seen it, where it tells you, wait, this website might not be safe. Are you sure you want to go to this website? That happens because they don't have SSL certification on their site, on their website. So this is something you normally would have to purchase for each website that you put up. But with this particular plan, it automatically has that security on your website, so that does not happen. So I recommend getting this one. It's $24.99 a month, so make sure you get that. You want to get the one that has Cpanel. Okay, so if we click on add to cart, add to cart, if it'll work. Let me see here. All right, so once you have it in your cart, by default, it's going to do 36 months. See the maximum Linux hosting with Cpanel. That's when you want to make sure it has Cpanel. Take it down to monthly or for the year. It's up to you. Yes, I'm sure. And once you do it for 1 month, it has that. You don't need all the extras that it brings. I put it in here multiple times, so I'm gonna delete a few of them. So it's $28.99. Why is this not deleting? Okay, I have it multiple times. My computer's acting up. Okay, so once you have that in there, it's going to be $28.99 plus the 1 cent for your domain. So all in all, you're going to spend under $30 to get your GoDaddy account up and running. And now I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like on the back end and what the next steps are. All right, so this is what the back end would look like once you've purchased your domain and web hosting from GoDaddy. Once you're logged into the back end, what you want to do is going to show you your domains that you have and all the other products. So this is all the listed domains, and then you want to scroll down to where it says web hosting. Okay, and then you're going to click the web hosting you have. You're going to click on manage. Okay. And it's going to take you to something that looks like this. Once you click that, let it load for a second. All right, so now once it's loaded up, you want to click on Cpanel Admin, okay? All right, so this is the Cpanel Admin dashboard. What we want to do here is we want to go in here and create our website and create our email, okay? So to create the domain, the email that has your domain extension instead of gmail.com or yahoo.com, you want to go down to where it says email accounts, okay? Right there you see email accounts. Click on email accounts, and now you want to create one, okay? So we're gonna search. I have one here called Try Food. Okay, it's not here. Okay, good. So now that we know it's not here, we're gonna create it. So click on the blue button that says create right there, and then you're gonna choose a domain. You should only have one domain so far, but you're gonna choose a domain that you want to create an email account for. Right now for me it's tryfood.app is my domain. And then you're going to choose the name that you want at tryfood. So this could be your name at yourbusiness.com, or it could be admin at yourbusiness.com. It could be help at yourbusiness.com or business at yourbusiness.com. So you can do that. So I'm going to do support. No, let's do Avery at tryfood.app. And then we're going to set a password for it. We can do test 1 2 3. It's a weak password. You want to do something stronger, but yes. And then you're going to click create. Now it's creating the email account for you at this point. Once it creates, it'll pop up. So if you scroll down, you'll find it in the list. You will only have one on yours, but you can see it right here as Avery at tryfood.app. So that will be your name at yourbusiness.com created. Now you can come in here the same way you came in here to check the email daily. So yeah, you're gonna click for the first time. It's gonna pop up like this. So just click open my inbox when I log in and click open, and boom, you have a brand new email address that is with your name at yourbusiness.com. That's how you create the email address. Now let's go back. To go back, you're gonna click the top left hand corner, those square boxes there, and it's gonna take you back to the admin section of GoDaddy, the Cpanel Admin. And now we're gonna create the actual WordPress website. We're gonna use WordPress to create our business website. Okay, WordPress allows you to have so many templates that are already built for you. You don't have to pay anybody to create your website. You can simply put it together yourself from scratch. It doesn't take too much to put together, and it doesn't take too much to maintain. All we want to have simply is a our business represented online, so that way when people are searching our business, there is a website with our business name. There's a way to contact us with our business email address and everything else. So that's what we want to set up. So for this, you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you're going to see WordPress. Okay, so what you're going to do is click WordPress, and once this comes up, you're going to click install this application. From there, it's going to ask you, the first thing you want to put in is what domain name you want to install this WordPress site on, right? So you're going to choose a domain you just bought, okay? I have a ton of domains on here, so yours, you should only see one. So you're gonna you might see different versions, right? The ones with www, the one without it, the one that's HTTPS. So just go ahead and choose choose HTTPS, this one, and then you don't want to do the directory, so empty that. Go down, you can leave everything as is. You can choose the username and password to log in. So when you log into your website, the back end of your WordPress website, what do you want your username and password to be? So here, that's what you want to put. So my username could be Avery, password can be 123, and then what's the email? Where should the website update you if there's any inquiries or anything that comes into your website? That's the email that you want to put. So you can put your email, your personal email, on this one. Okay, I just put test@gmail.com. What do you want the name, the title, the name of your website to be when people get in? This should be ideally your business name. So this should be I'll put Smart Money Nation, Smart Nation. See, tagline. If you have a slogan for your business, you'll put your slogan there. Yeah, and then click install. So now what this will do is enter a directory with existing content. Okay, so I already have a WordPress site on this Try Food app. So that's why it's telling me, hey, there's already something there. Are you sure you want to install it on top of what's there? I'm gonna click OK for now, so there's an error, it doesn't have it. So we're gonna install it on Try Food app / test. Okay. But yeah, so if I go to tryfood.com, tryfood.app, there should be something there already. See, there's no this is what happens if you don't have SSL. That's why I told you guys, get the package that has the SSL. I since have gotten SSL since I put this domain up, and this was like a long time ago I put this up. This is what a user would have to do to get to your website. You don't want that. It does not look professional at all. So that's why you definitely want to do that. But anyway, let's go back to GoDaddy. Let's go to Cpanel, and we're gonna put it. So what you want to do is just choose your domain. Don't worry about putting this. I'm just doing this to show you guys. And then we're gonna click install. Hopefully it works. I'm just installing it in a new space. Now it's processing. So it's gonna process and install WordPress on that particular domain for me. Okay. Wow, that's crazy. So now, as you can see, where is it at? Try Food. So we're gonna look for it. Yours should only there should only be one. I have multiple sites, so that's why you see all those. But it's installing right now. As you can see, Smart Money Nation LLC. It's gonna be installed on tryfood.app/test, and we're gonna click onto it once it's installed. All right, so it just finished installing, so we can go over there and log into the back end and set up our business website. Okay, so now you see here tryfood.app/test. You have that. If we open it, I got to get the SSL on here. So I would have to call them to put the SSL on here. on this particular domain, but the SSL is free. They'll add it on to every domain that you have. This domain was bought before I had the SSL. That's why it's showing this. But anyway, if we log into the back end, we can now set up our brand new WordPress website. So we're going to click on WP. The second one, which would be your domain name / WP-admin, is what you want to click on to get started with putting together your website. Okay, so once you are in the back end of the WordPress website, this is where it should take you. It should look just like this. What you want to do is install a template that meets your needs. A template is pretty much a pre-built website that you can just edit the contents of, right? So to do that, you're gonna go to appearance and go to themes. Okay. Once you go there, you're gonna click on add new. And you're going to see a bunch of different themes that you can use. Okay, so these are all themes that are completely free that you can use, and you can filter them by the most popular themes. You can just simply click install, and it will install that theme on the front end. Right now, the theme I'm currently using is this one, right? Theme details. So I'm using this particular theme. It shows you how it looks. I can show you the front end of it. If I go to appearance and customize, you'll see what the theme looks like, right? So this is one of my business websites. It simply has my business name, what exactly what we do. It has our phone number, contact us. Some pictures, a few things about what the business does, and yeah, that's it. It's a pretty simple, straightforward website. All I did was the same thing. I went to the themes. I'm gonna go back to real quick. I simply just went to appearance, themes, add new, chose a theme, and then just edited what's already there. So I edited that area to say my business name, replace the picture with another picture, which is one of my logos, and that's it. As simple as that. So now you would essentially have your business website up. You would have your business email up and ready. So that's exactly how to put together your business website and email address all in one go from GoDaddy.com. I hope this was useful for you guys. If you found this valuable, please, as always, share it with somebody that you do value. Hit the like button for me. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And if you are, make sure you ring that notification bell. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments below.